In this video, I show you how to get Instagram update drawing in chat or how to get Instagram Doodle update. For doing this, go to Play Store. Now search Instagram. Tap on Instagram. Up to date your Instagram. Then go to Settings. Then go to Apps. Then go to See All Apps. Now search Instagram. Tap on Instagram. Tap on Photo Stop. Tap on OK. Tap on Storage and Cache. Clear storage. Then delete. Now open Instagram. Now log into your account. Now click on plus icon. Now tap on draw. Now write something here. Then click on send. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.